good day. Welcome back to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to remove the asterisk sign from the Excel sheet. So let's follow the steps. If you are going to remove the asterisk sign with this traditional method, that is pressing Control key with the letter H, and a new window Find and Replace appears. Put the asterisk sign in, find what section, and keeping the Replace tab empty. Now click and replace all. You can see that all of our text has been removed. So how to remove the static sign while the rest of the text remains intact, that it does not disappear? Firstly, simply press Control key with letter H. Now, in the Find What tab, first of all, put the tilde sign that is available below the Escape key. Then put the asterisk sign and keep empty the Replace tab. Click Replace All, click OK. Now you can see that the asterisk sign has been removed while the other text has been intact. Thank you for watching.